With CardioLog Analytics Microsoft 365 overview dashboards, you're finally able to see data on how users are actually using OneDrive in real time. Today, I'll show you our OneDrive reports that will help you understand how your OneDrive for Business platform is being used. These reports contain several visuals ready to be quickly filtered by date, office, and department. Each of the graph visuals can easily be drilled down simply by clicking on the relevant point or bar. Let's dive in. In the OneDrive Usage Overview report, we can quickly and easily see the total number of files stored in OneDrive for Business versus the total number of documents stored in SharePoint, as well as the overall storage used in OneDrive for Business in the selected date range. If I hover my cursor over any point in the chart, you'll see it highlights the storage used at that point. Here, we can also see the active versus inactive files, as well as active versus inactive users, which informs us of which users to target and what actions to take to increase usage in OneDrive. We use the OneDrive User Adoption Report to learn more about which users have used OneDrive recently and who hasn't. By understanding which of your users are not adopting well to OneDrive, you can begin to find and target their issues and manage resources more effectively by focusing training on the users, groups, and departments who need it. We can also see the number of users who viewed, created, edited, synced, or shared at least one file in OneDrive, and if we scroll down, the inactive users who did not view, create, edit, sync, or share any files in OneDrive in the selected date range. This can even be filtered by office and department to see how different groups and offices are adopting the platform. We use the OneDrive Files Usage Report to learn more about the content stored in OneDrive for Business. By understanding which files are being accessed and shared internally or externally, you can manage resources more effectively, detect suspicious sharing activity, and find out if sensitive content is shared outside your organization. The OneDrive Unused Content Report gives more insights about the inactive content stored in your OneDrive for Business. By understanding which files are not being accessed frequently and knowing who created them and how much storage they consume, you can manage your resources more effectively. Understanding these reports will help you to take the actions needed to improve user productivity.